Hi guys, CodeTutor here and my name is Anil Deshpande. In the previous video, we have seen that how do we implement a protocol. In Swift, we don't use the term implement. We basically say that we adopt a protocol. As a part of that, you can declare a particular class or a enum or even for that matter a struct adopts a protocol by using colon then the protocol name, and then you can define whatever that protocol does. And as per the custom string convertible, we had to define description attribute in the book, and it was a get attribute. You could also have a set attribute, but in this case it is only get, and using this we were able to basically conform to the custom string convertible protocol. Well, in this case our book class is adopting only one single protocol, but there is a possibility that we will be implementing more than one protocol. If there are more than one protocols, you will be separating all those protocols, and as a part of that, whatever that you need to do, either define a new description or implement a function, that's what you will be doing. So every time you adopt a new protocol, you will be forced to write some more methods, some more functionalities, or some more attributes inside the class or the struct. Now it becomes very difficult for the reader to understand whether a particular attribute that is defined inside the struct or a class is because of the conformance to a protocol, or whether that particular attribute is part of class definition. What do I mean by that is whether this particular description, is it defined in the book class, or is it there because of the book's conformance to the custom string convertible. Since we already know the backstory of the implementation, we can clearly say that this particular attribute is basically related to custom string convertible. Now the question is how to make it completely crystal clear that a particular attribute that you are seeing or a particular function that you are seeing in a class is because of conformance of that particular class to a protocol. This way of adopting a protocol can be confusing sometimes. So there is another way using which we can make it very crystal clear, and that is through extensions. What do I mean by that is, let's just remove this, and then if you recall, writing an extension is adding an extra functionality. So what I can do is I can write extension for book, and as a part of that extension I will be adopting custom string convertible. As a part of adopting custom string convertible, I will have to define description, and it is a getter, and inside that I can once again write the same old code, that is return self dot name by self dot author. And now with this implementation also you get the same result. It is the same thing. We are still adopting custom string convertible but using the concept of extension. And now when reader looks at this particular code, he can clearly understand that this is the actual class and we are basically adopting the custom string convertible protocol through extension, and as a part of that, whatever the description that you are seeing actually belongs to the custom string convertible, not the class book. And this makes it very crystal clear when it comes to the readability of the code. And Apple recommends that you write protocol adoption through extension. So I suggest that even when you write your Swift code and you are implementing the protocols, you take the route of using the extension to adopt a protocol. In the next video, we will see a situation where you actually adopt a protocol, but as a part of that, you don't do anything. Why we need to do that and what it actually means to do that, we will see it in the next video. That brings us to the end of this particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.